All that dust is getting into your home. It's affecting your air quality. Hi, I'm Brady with Arctic Insulation. Today we're out at a customer's house. They had old, dusty, dirty insulation. We're sucking all that out of there. We're disinfecting everything, polyfoam and air sealing around penetrations. We're gonna put all brand new R38 blown fiberglass in this attic, radiant barrier foil. We're gonna reduce that attic temperature by about 30 degrees and give them a nice adequate insulation blanket and hopefully lower their utility bills by 30 or 40%. So let's just kind of go over here. Here we are in the attic. We got two removal machines running. One guy starting over here, he's vacuuming out all of this old insulation. Just take a look at this insulation. I mean, it's like dust. Look at my hand after that, how dirty that is. All that dust is getting into your home. It's affecting your air quality. We're gonna remove all of this. We're gonna polyfoam air seal around your AC registers, your light cans, your wall plates. We're gonna get a nice tight seal over this ceiling. We're gonna disinfect all of this, and we're gonna come in with all brand new insulation. Sometimes it's harder to get out than it is get in.